Now, here's where translation will be applied. All right? 20. Guess what I'm going to write? 20. Surprise, surprise. Increased by plus a number. It says to use x. Is equals and then 5. In the past, you have probably been trained to start reading at the capital letter and not to stop until you get to the period. In math, we stop a lot. Okay? Twice two times a number, x. Do I need the dot there? No. I could have 2.x or 2x. It don't matter. Equals, surprise, surprise, equals -10, -10. And I'm sure you're thinking to yourself, it can't be this easy. There's got to be a trick. A number, x, minus subtraction, the sum. Addition's not bad. Parentheses, right. I've got to package the sum. Otherwise, I'll only subtract the first number. The sum of what? A number, which is x and 5, is equals -30.
So it would have
3 times 3 dot, right? The sum, parentheses, and addition. Okay, stop there. I'll go ahead, try to break it down for you. Now we're going to add, in this case, two numbers. Who are they? X and 5. Equals -30. Now what's going to happen as we go on is not only are we going to translate these, but we are then going to solve them like we did earlier. Okay? Put all the ideas together, so they're coming. Okay, the quotient, division, and how in this class are we going to represent division? Fraction bar. Now someone said something a while back, I kind of like that. See that? So, twice a number. Where does that go? On top. And where does the next number go? On the bottom. Who is it? 8 is equal to, real tough, equals, and then 2. Hopefully you're starting to learn what the phrases mean. We have 6 steps in solving a word problem. Okay? Step 1, read carefully. And as you can see, slowly. And we ask, what is the goal? Look at example 3 and tell me what is the goal. So I am going to require not suggest, require that you write down the goal in words. Unknown number. Fred's weight. Sally's salary. Norman's age. Whatever is unknown or the goal, I want you to write the words for it. Okay? Step 3, give variable name. Or names, if you're looking for more than one thing, you'll see that in a moment. So, what do you want to call the unknown number? X, fine. You have 26 letters, choose one. Now for the translation. Write an equation. And here's where the translation comes from. Twice a number. What do I write? 2x plus 3 is the same as equals the number x minus 6. Then, like we've been doing all along, we solve the equation. And solving requires two things: simplifying and isolating. So you go ahead and solve this equation like we've been doing for a while now. I'll wait. What side do you want the x on? Left. So where don't you want it? On the right in this case. So we do what to get rid of the x on the right? Subtract what? X. Subtract x. And how many x's are left on the left? 1. And we copy everything on the left. What do I have left on the right? Negative 6. Is the x on one side now? Yes, it is. Now, let's isolate it. Who do I have to get rid of? How is the 3 attached? Addition. How do I undo addition? Subtraction. Subtraction. Who's left on the left? X. What's negative 6 minus 3 more? Negative 9. Okay? We solved the equation. Gee, there's one more step here. We're not done. Satisfy the goal. We made up x. What is x? The unknown number. So who is the unknown number? Negative 9. I'm going to want you to link the words with the answer. Joe's age, 9 years. Sally's salary, $1,000. X is just a temporary tool that we use, but once we get X, we go back to the actual word goal.